How to fix your thumbnails are not showing in Windows 11. So if you're just seeing this white icon like this, I'll show you how to fix this issue and get your thumbnails back. Now the first step is you need to go and load up a file explorer on your computer. You can then click on your desktop from the left hand side. Click on these three horizontal dots and then click on Options. Now click on the View tab. Now uncheck the option next to Always Show Icons Never Thumbnails and press Apply and OK. You can then close out of this window and check if that solves the issue. If it's not working, open up your Start menu, search for Disk Cleanup and click on this tool. Now press OK and then go and uncheck all of these boxes and just make sure Thumbnails is checked like this. Now press OK and click on Delete Files. You can then once again check if your thumbnails are showing. If it's still not working, the final solution is to open up your Start menu, search for View Advanced System Settings and click on this. Click on Settings and make sure Show Thumbnails instead of Icons is turned on like this. You can then press Apply and OK and you should now be able to see thumbnails in Windows 11.